In this captivating video, we unravel one of life's most profound mysteries. When does the soul enter the human body? This question isn't just spiritual, it touches biology, psychology, cosmology, and the heart of human consciousness. From ancient scriptures to modern science, cultures across time have tried to answer it with insight, reverence, and awe. Is it at the moment of conception, during implantation, or with the first heartbeat? Each theory holds symbolic truth tied to our understanding of creation, energy, and consciousness. We explore powerful perspectives from Egyptian, Greek, Hindu, Buddhist, and Christian traditions, each offering a unique view of when and how the soul. But this isn't just theory. Today's science is catching up. From fetal memory to prenatal consciousness to energetic signatures of awareness, modern research now confirms what mystics have long suggested. The womb is not empty, it's alive with intention, intelligence, and spirit. This transformative window is not merely biological, it's a soul's delicate descent into form. Subtle signs appear: intuitive dreams, energetic shifts, emotional resonance between mother and child. The sacred first 40 days of pregnancy are highlighted across spiritual traditions. The soul gently descends through layers of consciousness, adapting to earthly density. In esoteric Christianity, angels guide the incarnation, ensuring alignment with destiny and divine will. In Eastern philosophies, this process isn't instant, it's a vibrational journey. And here's something truly powerful. The soul chooses its moment. It chooses its family, its lessons, even its timing based on karmic needs, cosmic alignment, and a higher blueprint. This changes everything. Pregnancy is no longer just biology, it's a co-creation between soul, parents, and the universe. Whether you're expecting healing or simply curious, this understanding brings peace, meaning, and deep respect to the miracle of life. It's emotional, mental, spiritual, a symphony of layers converging at once. Linear thinking can't explain it. Only a holistic perspective can. 3 main entry points of the soul: conception, implantation, and heartbeat, each rich in spiritual meaning. Eastern teachings see incarnation as a gradual descent through energetic layers. Modern science supports early consciousness, memory, and emotion in the womb. The first 40 days are a sacred energetic window where the soul anchors into form. The soul chooses its path based on karma, purpose, and cosmic timing. Pregnancy becomes a sacred partnership between the soul, parents, and the universe. Incarnation is multidimensional. This isn't superstition. It's a spiritual science of vibration and awareness. It reflects cosmic preparation, energetic alignment, and the soul's transition from spirit to form. The soul's entry is not just biological. 3 timelines of entry. The timing of incarnation is part of a greater soul agreement, not random biology. Conception, the spark of soul union, and genetic intention. Implantation, when the mother's body welcomes the soul's energy first. Heartbeat, the soul animates the vessel, life in motion. Each phase reflects a different facet of becoming. Creation, connection, and consciousness. The power of 40 days. The number 40 appears across religions for a reason. Every moment, whether birth, miscarriage, or stillbirth, has soul-level significance. It invites us to trust, honor, and listen deeply to life's hidden intelligence. Eastern wisdom of gradual descent. In Hindu and Taoist philosophy, the soul spirals down through frequencies, arriving in the physical body in stages guided by intent and readiness. Science catches up to spirit. Studies show the fetus responds to sound, remembers emotions, and shares energetic bonds with the mother. These are not passive cells, they are living consciousness. The soul has free will, according to regression therapy and karmic teachings. Souls choose their families, bodies, and even challenges. Pregnancy as a cosmic collaboration. This view transforms how we see motherhood, fertility, and loss.